The Boating Adventure, channel update number 165. Well, a very good day to you. It is Friday the 8th of May 2026 and we are currently moored up at the Log Rural Mooring just to the west of the village of Misterton. This is a beautiful spot and this is the second time that we have moored up here. This is on the Chesterfield Canal. We moored up on the way up to Retford and we've moored on the way back. It's so beautiful. We've been very busy this morning cleaning the swamp duck. I've done the outside, Steve's done bits and bobs on the inside. And we're getting ready for our next journey, which is to take the swamp duck back up the River Trent from West Stockworth to Torksey Lock, and we're booked in to do that tomorrow morning at about 11:15. Should take us a couple of hours to get to Torksey, and then we're booked to go up Torksey Lock around about 1:30. We've had a glorious few days here on the Chesterfield Canal. And my flower display is doing really well. A little job that Steve and I have done whilst we've been out on the Chesterfield Canal, making our way back. We've moored up for one night in this beautiful spot here, away from anything and anybody, so we were able to sand this backboard down, clean it and give it a good couple of new coats of paint, and it looks a whole lot cleaner and tidier, so that should last for a little while. This is just a short update to say that my next video will be published on Saturday the 16th of May 2026 at 8 AM, and that's a video that I did on the Macclesfield Canal when I paddled the last part of the Macclesfield Canal that I intend to do. So it was a beautiful day when I did that as well. So join me for that video on Saturday the 16th of May 2026 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank you for your continuous support for the channel, and as always, do take care.